Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change the email address in your Play Store on Android. Subscribe to our channel, put likes, and don't forget to write comments. Let me and I get down to the topic. In order to change your mail address, first you need to go to the Play Store. At the top, you need to go to your account by clicking on the image. Next, you choose Settings, then General. And here you need to select Account and Device Settings. And as you can see, here is the email that the Play Store is currently tied to. And if you click on it, you can edit your email to some other email. After you enter your new email, you will need to click Save. After that, you will get an email to your new email in a few seconds. For you to confirm that indeed you are changing your email for Play Store, and you will need to go to the letter that will come to the email and open the message there to confirm that you are indeed doing this. And right after you confirm what you're doing, by clicking on the link, it will instantly change your Play Store email. But until you confirm that you're changing your email, all emails will go to your old email. This is the simple way you can change your email address in the Play Store app. I hope this video has helped you, friends. Subscribe to our channel. Be sure to like and comment. See you soon.